want to thank you all for joining my channel today. I have some exciting news that I want to show you. It's behind me at the moment. It has to do with a boat. I had a friend that decided to give me a boat. I offered to pay for it, but he stated if I was going to use it, there was no need to pay for it. So I'm greatly appreciative of this friend, and having friends like that, you can truly appreciate them. So I'm going to show you this Jon Boat, um, first boat of mine. So it needs a little work. But with that being said, I know some of you all have refurbished your Jon Boats before and may have some suggestions for me. I would greatly appreciate hearing from you. Has a nice trailer as well. Once again, I really appreciate having this boat. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please hit the like and subscribe. Would be greatly appreciated. Once again, need a little work, a little paint. So please put your comments. I will get back with you as soon as I can. And once again, thank you for tuning in.